This is your market execution report for February 23rd, 2026. Today, we're going to be reviewing GBPCAD, A plus setup, and some other winning trades using the CCORB trading system and also along with the CC Trend Pro. And these setups are going to be during the New York session. I'm going to show you why this qualified as a plus setup, how it was structured, why I hop into this trade. So starting with the chart, we like to start off with the higher time frame. Now, I know many of you don't have the cheat code system, all right? So you don't have the CC buy and CC sell system, BTC trading system. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this chart today and just show you how you can use the CCORB by itself, okay? So starting with the higher time frame, when I'm looking for a day trade, I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame for my directional bias. So with the CCORB, we use a 47 moving average is our directional bias. So if we're looking at GBPCAD 1 hour time frame, you can see that this is the 47 moving average. Price is above it. So that means we're looking for buy setups on the lower time frame. Okay. So what I'm looking for is a breakout on the 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame. It does not matter what time frame you pick. Just pick a time frame as your execution time frame or entry time frame. So you can see on the 15-minute, we have multiple buy breakouts. You're going to see some with the A plus setup, and you're going to see with some that says CT, which stands for counter trend, meaning when this buy candle happened here, price closed above the 47 moving average. This is why this was an A plus setup. Okay. You can see here, this candle closed below the 47 moving average. So it still was a buy setup, but it was a counter trend trade at that moment. All right. So knowing what the trend was on the 1 hour time frame, we're looking for buys. I'm just looking to scalp. Now, why does this qualify? Well, again, dropping to our execution time frame, we're looking for A plus setups in the direction of the higher time frame. Our 1 hour time frame is going to be our directional bias. The 15-minute is going to be our execution time frame. So as soon as this candle closes, then I'm looking to hop into this trade. Now, I got in a little bit early with this trade. I got in at the opening here. Okay, this is where I got in at. So my target for the day when I'm looking for a day trade or scalp trade, I'm looking to target about 20 to 25 pips. So from here where I entered, price definitely hit 20 to 25 pips, easy. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you that here. Let's take a look at this Trade Locker account. And as you guys can see here, GBPCAD, I closed both positions, had two positions open, and I closed both those positions in profit. So my original position, I had one got stopped out because as you can see, price was consolidating the whole entire day. Okay. So now we should be getting a breakout to the upside, but it consolidated for the whole day. So again, that's why I went ahead and took profit as soon as it hit 25 pips, and I got out of the market. Okay, so that's the goal, to get 25 pips a day. This is going to help you compound your account. Okay, this is not the only winning trade today. Let's go talk about some more Forex pairs that were winning trades. We had, if we take at the JPY pairs, take a look at the JPY pairs. Today is Monday. We had a nice sell trade on the JPY pairs today. Okay, so this signal came out at 6:15. Price broke down below but came back up to retest. This retest would have been an excellent time for you to enter AUD JPY for a drop down. This dropped down a total of 74 pips for today. Okay, so this was an excellent trade. Why would we take this trade? Again, look at the higher time frame. What is the 1 hour telling us? Okay, Monday. If we look at market structure is making lower highs and lower lows, right? You see, we have a high up here. Price came down and created a low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so this is a plus setup, as you guys can see on the sell on the 1 hour time frame. Again, our entry is on the 15-minute time frame. Price came back up to retest, so you would have had a chance to grab more than 20 to 25 pips off of this trade. So that was another winning trade for the day. In this system, guys, this ORB breakout system, you will find winning trades Monday through Friday. Okay, Monday through Friday. Gold was another smacker today. Let's take a look at gold. Why was this an A plus setup? Again, let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we are clearly above this 47 moving average. Price is bullish. So that's exactly the exact type of breakout we want to take on the lower time frame. Okay, so let's go to the 15-minute time frame. What do we see here on a 15-minute time frame? We're looking for a buy breakout. Okay, this was a A plus buy setup here on gold, and gold went to the moon. Okay, clean structure, easy to understand. All we're doing is trading in the direction of the higher time frame. So step one, you're looking at the 1 hour time frame for your directional bias. Are we above or below the 47 moving average? That's what you're asking yourself on the 1 hour time frame. If we're above it, we're looking for buy breakouts on the lower time frame. If we are below it, we're looking for sell breakouts on the lower time frame. On futures, let's go to our futures chart. I took a sell setup here on NASDAQ today. Okay, so NASDAQ 1 hour time frame, we're below the 47 moving average. So that's the type of trade we're looking for on the 15-minute time frame. Here on NASDAQ on Monday, we had a nice little A plus sell setup here on NASDAQ. Okay. Initially, when price opened up at 9:30, it pumped up, rejected, came crashing back down. Okay. So this is why it's always good to wait until after 9:30 to enter on NASDAQ or US 30. Okay. This candle right here was a 9:30 candle. The next candle was a 9:45 candle, which gave us our breakout A plus sell setup here on NASDAQ. Let's take a look at Dow Jones, aka Dirty 30. Same exact scenario. 9:30, price went to the moon, came crashing back down. 9:45, we had an A plus sell setup in the direction of the higher time frame. Take a look at the 1 hour time frame. What is market structure telling us? Price is bearish. Okay, we're below the 47 moving average. So that's the type of breakout we would be looking for on the 15-minute time frame. Do you understand and see how simple this trading system is? This strategy is? Okay, very, very simple, easy rules to follow. Okay, now initially you should always be doing a higher time frame top-down analysis, starting from the daily 4 hour all the way down. But again, with this strategy, you just need to pick a higher time frame, whether that be the 1 hour or 4 hour as your directional bias, and then you're just looking to trade in that direction on the lower time frame. Okay, so let's go back to Forex real quick. Let's go back to the GBPCAD trade, because I want to show you guys where I would place my stop loss and take profit. So if we're looking at this market structure here, let's go ahead and turn off the indicator real quick. All right, we had this sideways action that happened today, but we were still able to profit. Okay, because the overall trend is still bullish. My stop would be below these lows here, or at these lows. Okay, that's when the trade will be invalid for me. Okay, but as long as price didn't break below these lows, then I'm still looking to buy. Okay, so stop loss would be here. Take profit would be the previous high here, or 25 pips, whatever comes first. Now, I do open multiple positions, right? Open multiple positions when the higher time frame, the 4-hour or daily time frame, is trending in the direction that I'm trading in. Okay. If it's a counter trend trade, then I'm only going to enter one position. Okay. But we had multiple winning trades using this system today. This is not the only winning trade. If we take a look at the USD pairs, let's take a look at AUD USD. We had a nice break and retest here on AUD USD. Okay. I was asleep when this candle sell signal came out at 6:15, right? But price broke down, came back up to retest around 10 a.m. Price sold off again. Okay. So that was a nice break and retest. Now, price is not going to always break and retest. That's the only thing about the orb. It's not going to always break and retest. But again, this winning trade would have given you 20 to 25 pips. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Euro USD looked pretty nasty today, consolidated. So this would have been an okay trade, but you wouldn't have hit your 25 or 20 pip trade here on Euro USD. Okay, let's take a look at GU. GU, same thing, looked pretty nasty. NZD USD, nice trade today. Nice little break and retest. Price broke down, came back up to retest. This would have given you 20 to 25 pips on NZD USD. USD CAD, beautiful trade. Take a look at the 1 hour. We are bullish. Okay, bullish here on the 1 hour. 15 minute, we're looking for a breakout to the upside. That's what price gave us. Price broke up, came back down to retest, and then price went to the moon. Okay, this would have given you exactly 26 pips. All right, we're getting the signal on gold. All right, so first things first, we're looking for the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour, to give us our directional bias, and we're looking to trade or on our execution time frame, the 15-minute time frame after these candle closes. So what we're looking for in this example here, when we get this bias set up, you're looking for this candle to close, and then after this candle closes, you are free to enter the trade. Okay, stop loss is going to be below this previous low, okay, which is about, let's say 15 pips. Okay, risking 15 pips to make 25 or more. Okay, so again, if you want access to something like this, please join us for Coffee and Charts. Coffee and Charts is where we trade live every Tuesday and Thursday from 8 a.m. to 10:30. Okay, and what we do go over and we take these setups. Now we do take trades on futures mainly, but we also take forex setups also, right, using the same exact system. All right, it is pretty chill, laid back. You'll have a good time. You'll actually learn how we use the system to make money. Okay, so what I want to do, guys, real quick, I want to invite you guys to make sure you join Coffee and Charts. All right, link will be in the description below. All right, when you join Coffee and Charts, you'll get access to the CC Trend Pro and also the CC Orb. Let me go ahead and show you the CC Trend Pro. CC Trend Pro is an exceptional trading system. And here's the reason why. You see these yellow candles here? As a matter of fact, let's go to ADJPY. Okay, these yellow candles are what we call trend change candles. So whenever the trend breaks above these moving averages, or price breaks above these moving averages, you're going to get a trend change candle. And that lets you know that the trend has changed and you are free to take that trade. Okay, and it happens at every intersection here. Okay. Higher time frame, You can set to the daily, or you can set to the 4-hour time frame, or the 1 hour, whatever time frame you like to use as your higher time frame. It's going to tell you the trend on that time frame. It's going to tell you what type of trade, whether it's an intraday trade, scalp trade, or swing trade. And it's also going to give you your TP and take profit and stop losses. Okay, this dotted line that you see here, okay, when it's green, that means the higher time frame is bullish. If it's red, that means the higher time frame is bearish. If it's gray, that means it's neutral. Okay, it's neither bearish or bullish. It's trying to determine on what price wants to do. Okay, so you'll get access to both of these systems. You get access to the CC Trend Pro and also the CCORB. Okay, other than that, I want to say thank you for watching the market execution report, and I'll see you tomorrow.